Have you ever wondered what an Amazon Renewed product is like? Well, today I'm taking a look at the new, well, not so new Galaxy Renewed watch. Now, I've had the Galaxy 4 right here for a couple of years renewed, and I had good luck with it, but it's pretty beat up. But I bet you're wondering, why a renewed product from Amazon? It's because Amazon has a big name and they back it up. First of all, they give you a money-back guarantee if you don't like it, up to 90 days. Getting a renewed product is less expensive than buying a brand new one. Yes, the 7 is out right now, but I want to save a few dollars. Who doesn't? And they have a big name and they professionally inspect and test it. So they say it right here on the website. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, here's the box right here. And it looks like, I don't know, like there's a couple of marks on it. I don't know if someone took a fork to it or what. But right there, it says refurbished in the United States. It's interesting that it says Samsung right on it. It says refurbished, but right here it says Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Renewed at the back. So let's take a deeper look. Okay, so now that we've opened it up, we see the watch in there, and we get right here what appears to be the charging cord. Let's take that out. Yep, that is the charging cord, and looks pretty clean. And also, we get, dun dun dun, 90-day limited warranty. Explains that. Okay. Oh, there's another piece in here. But now I've got my hand on the watch, just pull it out. Okay. Let's see, will it turn on? No, it looks like it. Oh, there it is. Turned right on. Samsung. Looks like it normally does. Nice band, very clean. Clean in the back as it's turning on. Has the traditional 6 rubber band here. Let me go ahead and open that up. Feels a little heavier maybe. I have the other one right here, the old one that I beat up on with a little larger face, but I wanted something a little bit smaller because I was knocking it around a little bit. You can see very similar. This one that I have, I've beat up. And while that's loading up, let's open up the last piece in here in the box. I'm not gonna need this because there wasn't terms and conditions. And now let's get it set up. Okay. Boom. Get started. Language. Perfectly reset. English. All right. Get started in the app on the phone. So let's go to the app on the phone. Scanning for devices. It sees my old one and my new one, so let's pick the new one. Paired right away. Confirming on the phone. You can hear it beeping there, buzzing. Downloading the software. All right, let's go ahead and see and put this on and see how it feels while that updates. All right. A little smaller than the other one, which I like because I kept knocking it around. Looks nice. Check your phone to complete status. All right, so then you go through this during the setup if you want to allow anything here. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and allow it. It's getting ready to connect. So far, so good. So it took a little longer than expected, so I had to walk away and restart my phone, but let's go ahead and check it out as we continue through the setup process here. Okay, so now I'm connecting. Searching for the nearby device. It's taking a long time. Part of the issue of setting it up might be that I have a Pixel over a Galaxy. All right, so now we're to setup preferences. I prefer to wear my watch on the left hand. Let's get that set up. The band looks nice here. Okay. Next, I'm going to pick left. It is selected. Create a custom routine. Next, I'm not going to do that at this moment. Check your body level. Next. Next. Double pinch for watch control, one of the upgraded features. All set up. We are set. Finally. All right, so we can go ahead and select our watch face here. Let's see. Watch face is. Hey, let's find something fun. There's the classic ones, big ones. See if we can find something with a setup on it. Aha. All right, so now I can take a tour of the watch. Let's start. Haha, there's a dog on it, love it. Swipe down for quick. Pretty easy. We can walk through. Yep, looks just like my other one did. Finding your apps works well. Pick up from the bottom edge. Yeah, the screen looks great, it's clear. Now I'm gonna finish all this. The setup was pretty easy, but I did have to do a bit of a restart. So that probably is just because I have a Pixel, although I don't know. So let me know in the comments down there if you guys have different situations. Also, I would say the watch came in as a looks great, and I would love the picture of the dog that I'm gonna swap out though. So the setup was pretty simple, even though I needed to do a restart on my phone. I haven't restarted mine in a while, so probably my fault. I'd love to know what your experience is if you guys get one of these, or what it has been in the past. Write that down in the comments, give me a heads up. This watch looks amazing and feels great on my wrist right now. So the initial thoughts, 8 out of 10.